YouTube, how we doing today? We're back at it again with another video. This time we're opening up the July edition of Goldbox Hockey. So this month, just like last month, there's the opportunity to grab a loaded box, which is 1 in 20 boxes. Also this month, our Elite Gold Hit Chase cards are a clear-cut Young Guns of Quinn Hughes, and then a Young Gun of Yevgeny Malkin. So pretty good cards to chase after this month. As per usual, these boxes cost $74.99 Canadian plus tax and shipping. Just gives you a good opportunity to grab some different packs and not necessarily be focused on chasing specific cards. We do get the opportunity to grab either a SPA or a Artifacts pack, 1920 or 1819 for the SPA, and then 2021 for the Artifacts. Altogether, each box should have 7 packs with our guaranteed gold hit in there. Let's see how this goes. Box is feeling a little light this time around, so I don't think we grabbed a loaded box, but let's open her up here and find out. So just a regular box, box number 42 of 200. You can see on the side there our featured packs and what each box can consist of. So we'll rip that foam out of there. We got our gold hit. We got 1819 SPAs. We got our 1819 Series 2. And that's a hobby pack. Hobby pack of this year's Series 1. So Lafreniere, Byram. We got the extended series this year, so we'll be looking for those retro Young Guns. And also there's an updated Lafreniere card in there. Series 2, Kaprizov and Stützle. We got a 1920 Parker's pack. Opened up a little bit of that on the channel. We got 1718 Series 1, and that looks like that's a retail pack. And then we got some 9192 Pro Set. So let's set this out of the way. And let's get into her. We'll start with the Nostalgia pack. You can see our one of our previous Goldbox Nostalgia pack pulls, the Jaromir Jagr Pro Set rookie. Russ Courtnall, Brian Propp, Danton Cole, Vincent Rendu, Stefan Matteau, Cliff Ronning, old Mike Richter, Todd Crozier, oh, Luc Robitaille in the All-Star uni. There you go. Troy Millette. I'm not sure who that is. Who's that? Dave Taylor. Brian Hayward, Jeff Hackett, Al Iafredi, former hardest shot in the NHL for a long time, Bill Ranford. So that's out of the way. I say we go with the Parkhurst next. Be looking for a prominent prospects auto, ideally. Either Makar or Fox or Suzuki. We got Matty Barzal, Adam Larson, Ilya Kovalchuk, Mikhail Grabner, All-Star Kucherov, rookie Adam Johnson, and in Hailstorm, Connor McDavid. Probably worth a couple bucks being McDavid. Brent Seabrook, Letang, the Hurdle Turtle. Next up, I think we will go with the 718 Series 1. All right, we got Peter Mrazek, Teuvo Teravainen, Victor Arvidsson, Freddie Anderson, and Young Gun Yanni Kukakainen, Pietrangelo, Justin Braun, Derek Forbert. So we got one young gun so far, not terrible, not a big young gun by any stretch. I think we'll go with the 1819 Series 2 next. And then we'll go in order of this year's packs. Patrick Berglund, Johnny Taves, Ryan Pollock and a canvas, Matt Murray, Ian Cole, Calvin DeHaan, TJ Oshie, Pietrangelo. So I guess we'll go with the Series 1. We got Semyon Varlamov, Rocco Grimaldi, Zach Werenski, and predominant Mark Stone, Mike Riley, Bjorkstrand, Binnington, Brandon Carlo. Series 2. Radek Foxa, Michael Amadio, Travis Zajac, Pierre-Luc Dubois, and a young gun, Joel Kelman, young gun, Joel Eriksson-Ek, Draisaitl, Justin Hall. So then we get into the extended series. So I didn't open up any of this just because, didn't really see the point. Especially when Ice and Platinum are coming out soon. I'd rather spend some more money on that stuff. Tickles my fancy a little bit more. So we got Brandon Saad, Tyler Toffoli. I'm a big fan of those Montreal unis. Wenberg, Mark Stahl, and a young gun, Cameron Hillis. Looks like he played for Guelph Storm. I'm not quite familiar with him. I doubt he's anything to get excited about, but anyway. Chris Letang, Carter Verhaeghe, Jakob Slavin. So now our 1819 SPA, it's really up to this to kind of save things for us. It doesn't look like we got anything too great in here. Matthews, Heischer, Will Butcher, Jake DeBrusk, Future Watch, Spectrum Effects of Dylan Sikura. And it's all down to the gold hit to save this box for us. I really don't expect too much here. Sign of the times, Alex Tuck. Quite the bust.
Thanks, Dave. Alex, 3 wins in a row now with a chance to make it 3 straight on home ice. What's the key to making that happen today?
Having a good start. We know this crowd's going to be here for us. I'm getting a little water for my teammate here. I'll try to block you out of it, but...
All right, guys, so to round it out, pretty big bust, I would say, for a gold box. Probably our worst one yet, I would say. Honestly, the card that's probably worth the most in it, I'll have to look, but probably the McDavid Hailstorm, just because it's McDavid. Couple young guns in there. No one of any significance. We had the Murray Canvas, the Future Watch Spectrum FX Level 1, and then our gold hit, the Sign of the Times Alex Tuck. So on to the next one, I guess, and hopefully a little better luck next month. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.